For over 65 years, our company has been synonymous with power solutions. Not just the kind that illuminates homes, but the kind that fuels progress, drives industries, and empowers dreams. Since our incorporation, we have continued to build upon this legacy of excellence, evolving with the times to meet the ever-changing demands of the modern world. Over the decades, we've expanded our horizons, diversifying into agriculture, marine, construction equipment, engineering, renewable energy, information technology, and more. At the core of our success lies our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spanning across an area of 240,000 square feet, which is located at Satara in Maharashtra, from where we have spread our reach not only throughout India, but also to various parts of the world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and driven by a team of highly motivated professionals, our state-of-the-art factory exemplifies excellence. The manufacturing facility follows 5S and Pokayoke for meticulous approach that guarantees the production of superior quality products that meet and exceed industry standards. With advanced technology and a commitment to excellence, we continue to exceed client expectations. We are an ISO 9001, ISO 14001, as well as OSAS 18001 certified company. In our factory, we house cranes designed to handle generators exceeding 3000 kVA, complemented by two 40-feet trailer loading bays, ensuring smooth logistics and streamlined operations. Our meticulous packaging ensures safe and secure delivery of our products worldwide, reflecting our dedication to quality at every stage of the process. Our elaborate global network of 300+ service dealers, who also maintain inventory of spare parts, ensure quick turnaround service for our clients in order to support their urgent needs. In the realm of fabrication, precision isn't just a goal, it's an obsession. Perfect House Pvt Limited has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, delivering unmatched quality and craftsmanship across diverse industries. Our journey begins with cutting-edge design and engineering. Our team leverages advanced software and expertise to conceptualize and materialize your vision, ensuring optimal functionality and aesthetic appeal. Precision demands performance. Our arsenal of state-of-the-art equipment, including high-performance CNC laser cutting, CNC press brakes, automated CNC turret punching machines, and CNC-controlled shearing machines, guarantees unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. We translate your designs into reality, with every detail meticulously crafted. Our fully automated zinc phosphate pre-treatment process ensures corrosion resistance, while our European-made automated robotic powder coating line, incorporating both automatic and manual guns, delivers a flawless, durable finish. For heavier structures, our shot blasting and spray painting facility provides exceptional coverage and protection. Our success is not measured solely by the products we sell, but by the relationships we build. We work closely with our clients to understand their needs and deliver solutions that exceed expectations. We are a responsible corporate citizen. We believe in giving back to the communities we serve and contributing to a brighter future for all. We believe in constantly innovating and evolving, embracing new technologies and exploring new frontiers. We are committed to remaining at the forefront of the engineering solutions industry, shaping a brighter future for generations to come. In unity, we find strength. Our team is a dedicated family that stands shoulder to shoulder with you. Together, we partner in progress, illuminating the path forward.